Good morning, students. I hope you enjoyed the last week's class. Today, I'm going to teach the second unit prose. Title of the prose is Hobby Turns into a Successful Career. This prose is about hobbies and how it changes the people's life. Hobby is a regular activity done for enjoyment during one's leisure time. For example, reading, writing, painting, sports, gardening, listening to music, photography, fishing, cooking, stamp collection are some regular hobbies. Look at the pictures. Here, a girl is painting. A boy is cooking. A girl is watering. A boy and a girl are singing. From the given pictures, we can understand that hobbies are unique to people. That is, uncommon to people. For example, in your house, your mom is fond of cooking. Your dad is fond of watching news channel. And you may be interested in painting. Thus, hobbies are uncommon among the people. Let us see section 1. A boy named Mani had difficulty in reading and writing. His grandfather noticed this and helped him by reading bedtime stories. Gradually, Mani started reading on his own. After some days, he also started writing his own stories. In this section, he wrote an essay on hobbies. Hobbies are the activities done during our free time. They are special to people. Some people like gardening. A few like photography. And many have book reading as their hobby. Hobbies help people to learn new things, relax after a tiring day, and energize our body and mind. Mani's hobby was writing. Though many people feel writing is tough, he felt writing was like painting our voice. When he wrote things, he imagined a world with magic and magicians. Writing opened his mind to think beyond the little things with a broader mind. It made him learn new things and enjoy every moment of his life. His hobby of writing helped him in school too. He could describe things better in his stories. He had no problem in writing English essays or stories, as it was his hobby. Thus, it is important to always learn and improve our hobbies. Yes, let us see the book exercise. Say true or false. The first one is Mani's hobby is playing cricket. It is false because Mani's hobby is writing. Second one, hobbies are unique to people. Yes, it is true because hobbies are uncommon to people. Third one, people have hobbies only to pass time. This statement is false because hobbies help people to learn new things. The second one, choose the correct answer. The first question is, Mani imagined a world with dash. The options are music and musicians, building and sculptures, magic and magicians. The correct answer is magic and magicians. The second one, when Mani started writing things, he was unable to dash. Options are describe them accurately, describe them fluently, and describe them imaginatively. The correct answer is describe them accurately. The third one, Mani feels writing is like dash. Options are painting the voice, engraving the voice, designing the voice. The answer is painting the voice. Yes, thus, Mani imagined a world with magic and magicians. Second one, when Mani started writing things, he was unable to describe them accurately. Third one, Mani feels writing is like painting the voice. Section 2 is about an young artist named Ajay Kumar Garg. Ajay Kumar Garg, a very talented young artist, lived in Jaipur, India. He suffered an injury at the age of 3 and became deaf. His parents tried many hospitals to cure his disability, but it was useless. His father once bought him a paint set. Ajay used to paint on the walls and floors. He looked happy while using the paint set. Realizing his interest in painting, a court artist of Dholpur, Sri Shwalal, started educating him in painting. After completing his education, Ajay became an apprentice of Asha Devi, who taught him the miniature painting. He mastered the techniques of preparing colors and brushes and gained knowledge of the paintings. Soon, Ajay became an accomplished artist in the miniature style. He was gifted in the practice of creating images on a grain of rice. Ajay exhibited his work and sold 144 out of 150 paintings displayed in the exhibition. His work became famous throughout India, the United States, and the United Kingdom. In 2004, he was awarded a National Award of Accomplishment from the Indian President Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Ajay also involved in the welfare of people with hearing disability and gave them free training. He has been the executive member of Deaf and Dumb Association in Rajasthan. One of Ajay's current goals is to re-energize the dying art of traditional miniature Indian paintings. Thus, Ajay's life shows us that we can turn our hobby into a successful career if we are ready to learn and develop our skills. Yes, let us see the book exercise. Write true or false. The first statement is Ajay Garg is an artist. The answer is true. Second one, Asha Devi taught Ajay the miniature painting. True. Third one, Ajay displayed 150 paintings. This statement is true. Out of 150, he sold 144. Fourth one, Ajay was awarded by the Indian President Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. It is true. Yes, the first one, Ajay Garg is an artist. True. Asha Devi taught Ajay the miniature painting. True. Ajay displayed 150 paintings. True. Ajay was awarded by the Indian President Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. True. Section 3 is about a carom player named Ilavalahi. The hardworking and the passionate people always chase their dream and live it. Ilavalahi is one among the many to achieve her dream amidst all odds. Her father, Mr. A. Irudayaraj, was a district level champion in carom. His dream of achieving success in it shattered as he was not encouraged and supported by his family members. He determined to achieve his dream through his daughter. So, he used to put his daughter on the carom board while she listened to the sounds of sticker and coins. When she was 2 years old, he would carry her with him to the tournaments. He played with his friends at local clubs. Her father began coaching her when she was around 5. One day, her father called her for a match. She won the match against her father, and that gave her the confidence in achieving success. Later, she won the Asia Cup and South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation Cup, that is SARC Cup, and the World Championship. Her father Irudayaraj was a fish cart driver. She lived with her family in a small one-room apartment in Vyasarpadi, Chennai. This was not enough to accommodate her family and to preserve her trophies. The trophies left over after filling the space under the bed were given to the neighbors and relatives. She has been playing for the state for almost 14 years yet. She found it difficult to finance her trips for the matches. Still, she says, victories follow me. Ilavalagi is a member of the Tiruvallur District Karam Association and also represented India at the Carom World Championships and Asian Championships. She won the 2008 Indian National Carom Championship and became a world champion in the women's singles after beating P. Nirmala in the finals with 25-11, 25-11 victory. Her achievements are 5th World Carom Champion 2008 in France. Women's singles title at the 38th Senior National Carom Championship in Visakhapatnam 2009. Women's singles title in the 37th National Carom Championship in Chennai 2008. 13th SARC Carom Championship Women's Doubles with Rashmi Kumari in 2009. The two-time SARC Carom Championship Women's Singles titles in 2009. World Cup winner in 2006 and the next was the 2010 championship in the US where she secured the first place in singles and doubles. She holds 260 medals out of which 106 are gold, 17 are silver and 12 are bronze medals won in national competitions. She has won 111 gold, 9 silver and 5 bronze medals in international tournaments. Thus, her hobby of playing carom took her to the level of world champion. Dear students, be ready to learn and develop your skills. Yes, let us see the book exercise. First one, fill in the blanks. Mani's grandfather noticed it and helped him by reading dash. Mani's grandfather noticed it and helped him by reading bedtime stories. Second one, Ajay mastered the techniques of dash. Ajay mastered the techniques of preparing colors and brushes. Third one, Ilavalagi won her first match against dash. Ilavalagi won her first match against her father. Mani's grandfather noticed it and helped him by reading bedtime stories. Ajay mastered the techniques of preparing colors and brushes. Ilavalagi won her first match against her father. Next one is choose correct synonyms for the italic words. Writing is a unique hobby. Synonym for the word unique is uncommon. Second one, Ajay started to paint happily. Synonym for the word happily is joyfully. Third one, miniature paintings depict Indian culture. Synonym for the word depict is portray. Unique, uncommon, happily, joyfully, depict, portray. Then the third one, choose the correct antonyms for the italic word. Ajay suffered an injury. Antonym for the word suffered is endured. Ajay mastered the techniques of painting. Antonym for the word mastered is unskilled. The third one, Ilavalahi won World Championship in 2008. Antonym for the word won is last. So here, suffered, endured, mastered, unskilled, won, lost. Yes, I hope you understood the lesson. Thank you, students. Let us continue in our next class. Stay home, stay safe.